I'm parked next to the bridge here. You can see it right over my shoulder. Now, this bridge is scheduled for some upcoming construction. And once it's under construction, it'll be closed for about a week or two. Residents say they're concerned for when that time comes.
At this point, though, if you're going to reroute a whole community, I need the county to help.
It was the beautiful views that sold Chelsea Walls to buy here.
We love Montana. We're so excited to be part of Wheatland County.
But the drive to her tiny piece of paradise is less than ideal, especially when it rains or snows.
Even with a four-wheel drive, it's not traversable. It's especially scary for EMS, fire, police that can't get to us, and we can't get our kids to school, and we're concerned.
So when these signs popped up, worry grew.
They're actually going to try to reroute everyone to Fireside without doing any improvements while the bridge is closed for 2 or more weeks.
This bridge, put in 1997 on the county road, needs repairs.
They're going to replace piling. There's 5 pilings on each side, and the center piling is deteriorating.
And when that happens, it will not be crossable. Walls fears driving on this private road, Fireside.
It's been dry for a week, and yet this is still wet right now.
But Wheatland County Road Supervisor Travis Schuchard says there is another way for Walls and a handful of others to get to their homes.
No, it won't be Fireside. It will be Firecracker.
Firecracker is the road Schuchard's agency has worked on flattening out. There is a gate on the road, but it will be open once the bridge is closed.
It's totally travelable today. It runs up the ridge to the east, so we figured it would be a little drier route.
He says construction will most likely happen in the early summer months.
There's nobody stranded there right now.
This is affecting other families. It's not just one person fussing.
One small bridge, but one symbolic of many others across the state as Montana's infrastructure continues to age. In Shawmut, Haley Monaco, MTN News.